Oriental Mindoro, officially the province of Oriental Mindoro, is a province in the Philippines located on the island of Mindoro, under Mimaropa region in Luzon, about 140 kilometers southwest of Manila. The capital and largest city of Oriental Mindoro is Calapan. There are a lot of tourist attractions or destinations that can be found in Oriental Mindoro. First is Tucuran Falls, located at Puerto Galera, Mindoro, Philippines. The Tucuran Falls, or commonly known as Tucuran Hidden Paradise, is a tourist destination in Puerto Galera. This spot is called a hidden paradise because it is like a paradise. The site is a very beautiful, alluring, and tranquil place that seems to be perfect. Next is Talipanan Beach, located also at Puerto Galera, Mindoro, Philippines. The beach offers a quiet and peaceful ambience that ensures guests a relaxing vacation trip. The best place for those who want to spend their vacation to relax and enjoy, far from crowded people. Next is White Beach, located at 43 Calapan, Puerto Galera, Road, Puerto Galera, Mindoro, 5203, Philippines. The famous white sand beaches of Hawaii, for example, actually come from the poop or parrotfish. The fish bite and scrape algae of rocks and dead corals with their parrot-like beaks, grind up the inedible calcium carbonate reef material made mostly of coral skeletons and their guts, and then excrete it as a sand. Next is Tamaraw Waterfalls, located at Barangay Villaflor, Puerto Galera, Mindoro, Philippines. One of the most popular destinations in Puerto Galera, Tamaraw Falls is a twin waterfall about 3-story high. The waterfall lies next to the nautical highway, runs under a bridge, and cascades through man-made pools below. Tamaraw Falls faces the mountainside where one can enjoy a refreshing view of the forest. Next is Nauhan Lake National Park, located at Barangay Pasi, Socorro National Road, Nauhan, Mindoro 5204, Philippines. Nauhan Lake is a freshwater lake in the Philippines, located on the northeastern corner of the province of Oriental Mindoro on Mindoro Island. The lake is the fifth largest in the country and the main geographical feature of the Nauhan Lake National Park. The entire area has been a Ramsar wetland site since 1999. Next is Bancoro Church Ruins, located at San Agustin, Bancoro, Nauhan, Mindoro 5204, Philippines. It is now one of the most famous tourist destinations in Nauhan and home to college students doing archaeological days. It's accessible via a 45 minutes jeepney ride from the town proper. Next is Mangyan Village, located at Sitio Talipanan, Puerto Galera, Mindoro, Philippines. Mangyan Village in Puerto Galera discover indigenous arts and crafts of the Iraya Mangyan. The Philippines as a holiday destination offers a curious mix of the indigenous combined with the modern. In Puerto Galera, a village was built to preserve the indigenous culture of the Iraya Mangyan tribe. Another one is Tucuran Hanging Bridge, located at Puerto Galera, Mindoro, Philippines. On the expedition back from Tucuran Hidden Paradise, we paused for a while at the Hanging Bridge. It's a bridge that is made of steel that spans far across both sides of the river and gives the travelers an excellent perspective as well as great picture opportunities. Next is Muelle Cross, located at Muelle Pier, Puerto Galera, Mindoro, Philippines. The cross at Muelle is a marble cross established to commemorate the sinking of the battleship Canonero Maravillas at the Manila Channel on November 18, 1879. A wooden cross was built at Muelle Pier as a memory of the valiant crew and of the ship itself, with it an inscription that paid homage to the ship and crew. And the last one is Beach in Bay de la Ruan, Puerto Galera, located at De La Ruan, Puerto Galera. It is located in De La Ruan near Puerto Galera's most beautiful bay. It has nipa huts where you can stay, relax, and enjoy your stay. The amenities include also available place, grill place, and comfort rooms. The place is a good venue for events and recreations. Now, let's talk about the province of Palawan, an archipelagic province of the Philippines that is located in the region of Mimaropa. It is the largest province in the country in terms of total area of 14,649.73 kilometers. One of the largest and city and capital place in Palawan is Puerto Princesa. The area and location: the islands of Palawan stretch between Mindoro and the northeast and Bumeo in the southwest. It lies between the South China Sea and the Sulu Sea. The province is named after its large island, Palawan Island, measuring 450 kilometers long and 50 kilometers wide. There are also a lot of tourist attractions and destinations that can be found in Palawan region. First is Coron and Calamian Island. Located at Coron Town proper, Coron 5316, Palawan. The most beautiful island in the world, Palawan has started making a name for itself in the world of tourism. Coron is known for the several Japanese shipwrecks from World War II which are located in the area. Another one is Underground River, located at Puerto Princesa, Palawan. After being chosen as one of the new Seven Wonders of Nature in November 2011, Puerto Princesa Subterranean National Park, also known as the Puerto Princesa Underground River, began gaining more attention as a tourist attraction in the city of Puerto Princesa. Next is Port Barton, located at province of Palawan, Mimaropa, Philippines. Small fishing and farming village located on a bay at the municipality of San Vicente in the northern part of Palawan. The bay is found along with the province of Palawan's west coast with its tranquility and frontier. Tourists, whether local or foreign, apt to get a chance to enjoy the beauty of the place and snorkel in the waters of Port Barton. Next is La Estrella del Norte, located at Sampaloc Street, Nara, Palawan, Philippines. La Estrella del Norte, which means the Star of the North in English, was a title given to the municipality of Taytay that is found in the northern region of the province of Palawan. It is one of Palawan's oldest municipalities. Next is Nara Rice Granary, located at Nara, Palawan, Philippines. The municipality of Nara is no exception from the richest that Palawan has. Dubbed as the Tiger Municipality of Palawan due to its vast natural resources. And the Rice Granary of Palawan is the main producer of rice in the entire province. Other one is Honda Bay, located at Puerto Princesa 5300, Palawan, Philippines. Along the eastern shores of the island of Palawan lies Honda Bay, a bay that is being utilized for subsistence and commercial fisheries as well as recreation.
And that would be all. I am Ana Marie Diaz, the last reporter of Group 5.